Okay, guys, today, 30th June, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, second quarter, and just make sure that you read the disclaimer. So, let's see what is happening in the market. So, market is right now, uh, as the month is right now closing and the quarter is closing. We saw some unusual move, and still the stock market as such is still bullish. If you have any questions in between, you can ask me, and I'll try to answer that. So let's see, is still US stock market is still about 3,000, and last week it tried to go below 3,000, but still it has not. In this week also, it opened below 3,000, and again it is right now going up. So one of the reason right now why it was trying to go down and why it is coming back, the first thing is that it is trying to go down because COVID cases are again increasing, and the opening of US is right now that is there, but COVID cases are increasing, so market is slightly nervous, but still, why it is going up? Because right now, people are thinking like government will again pour some more money, more QE. Still, $1 trillion is still market is thinking like US government will pour in, and that's what is keeping this stock market on the upside. So this COVID situation, although it is increasing, but it will not be the same. Uh, let's say 6 months down the line, and market is right now thinking on those lines. So some in Europe, it is right now COVID situation is right now getting better, and Germany and France and Italy, they have controlled it. In US and Brazil, India and Russia, still it is going up, but soon there is a hope like there will be medicine, there are like this vaccine testing is going on, so something or the other will come up, and the government doesn't uh, want that this stock market goes down and recession comes in, because if recession is there, there will be many problems around the globe, and that's what government don't want, even if it costs them. So DAX is not going down below 12,000. US 500 is not going down below 3,000. So that is the story. So don't think like if you are opening CFD position on the downside. So I don't think that will be that is favorable. And if you see technically, Australian Japanese. So I was always saying Australian Japanese is not a short right now. Every time it should come down. If it is coming down, we have to buy. And right now, it is staying above that. And this was June first week, and after that, it is consolidating, but it is not going down. And even if this is OSMA is on the downside, it is like taking support around 72, this EMA 34. So this is one hard stop for you if you are trying to like if you are opening a long position, and then uh, you can put a stop loss below this right now, that is 70 to 84. So I would still suggest like Australian Japanese is still bullish, and then what to say about this USA tech is almost at 10,000, and it is not going down further. So that is what it is in US stock market. And let's see bonds, how bonds are doing. bonds are slightly going up, and it is saying market is this is risk has to be sold off, but it is not happening. Gold also right now it is comparatively above 1750, and this is also not going down. So this is USD Japan as usual. I was mentioning 3 4 days back, like it is a USD is bullish, and that bullishness is shown in USD Japanese and Australian Japanese, and Japanese is weaker somehow. In case of Euro Japanese, it is taking support around 119.20. That's what I was mentioning on last Friday. Look out at around 119.20. So on Friday, it didn't close below 119.20, even though it was trading around 119.80 or so when on Friday we spoke. And then from yesterday, it is going up. So this is like right now, EMA 89 is providing it good support. And once this OSMA also, this is daily OSMA, if it comes above zero, so next target is at around 120, 22, and that means if it can, then chances of it going again to 124 is high. So that is what it is in Euro Japanese, and Euro Japanese is bullish, but for the day and for the month end right now, yesterday it went till 120, 140. So that means on Friday it didn't close below 119.20. So it is the direction was to the upside. Let's see what else to see. Euro USD. One good sign is that it is closing above 112. So I'll take a look at Euro Japan, Euro USD also. Let me just see Euro USD. 111, 1.11 USD, Euro USD, 1.1170. That's where the support is. And right now, that is daily. Right now, it is coming to this level. And right now, weekly, it was supported around here. So if you see weekly for 3 weeks, it is right now closing above 1.1170. That means you can buy it, but wait for today. Tomorrow is FOMC, and day after tomorrow is NFP. So NFP is right now on Thursday, not on Friday, because 4th of July, they have US has an Independence Day, and before that, there will be some markets will be closed in US. So right now, it is a good thing right now, and on daily also, this level. So I don't think it will be breached right now, but this is month end, so anything can happen. It can go below this 1.1160 and again come back. So right now, this is also consolidating above this level, and we have to see that. But in fact, there is a slightly bullish USD right now, but it is not a runaway market. Euro GBP is right now above 0.91, and the month-end effect is on GBP USD, and which is trading around 122.50. So GBP is the weakest going into the month end, and GBP Australian dollar. Look at this. This is below right now. It is below 1.79. So GBP is right now going down, but not euro as such. So Euro USD right now, Euro Japanese is here 120.56, and it is still taking support. But right now, It is 4-hour chart is saying it has found sellers, and right now, if it is going up, we have to sell it. But be very sure that this is the month end and quarter end, and this is COVID. So suddenly in the US session, this volatility can increase. So that means it may come down or go up. We still don't know. So something has to, and tomorrow FOMC. So still euro is supported because of 750 billion euros was getting pumped in, and market is hoping that eurozone recovery will be good. And as such, Europe is almost COVID cases are not there, and Australian dollar also and New Zealand dollar also, they are also getting benefited by it. That COVID cases are not there, and this growth engine is right now going up. So, and China also PMI is above 50. So that is good for the China and all. Okay. Now GBP Japanese, and it was 134 I was mentioning, and GBP Japanese is the one pair which is going down, although USD Japanese is going up. Just last week, USD Japanese went till 106, and right now that is going up, but GBP is selling off. So, in effect, it is slightly going down, but still it is not preferable to sell GBP Japanese right now. Movement will be very like in GBP Japanese, it will be very slow, and 132.74, 200% move in 4-hour chart. So it is not the way GBP trades, GBP Japanese or GBP Japanese trades very fast. So right now there is a chance. Let me just see. Is it OSMA is right now on the downside. Uh, EMA 34 is at around 133.64. It is not moving much. On 4-hour chart also you can see right now OSMA is trying to go up. So it is not a preferable to short GBP Japanese right now. So and for long also it is not. So it is better to wait for today. Then let's see what happens in US market. So Euro USD also, just wait how it behaves around 1.1170. So what do I say about Euro Japanese? So if it is coming to 120, 50 around, it is a buy. And but what to do in this? Euro Japanese and GBP Japanese. And Australian Japanese is also not a sell. Australian Japanese is coming every time to 73.30 from last week. I'm observing this, and every time it is getting bought. So that's what is the story of Japanese pairs. So as such, Australian Japanese is bullish, and GBP Japanese or Euro Japanese for this week it is bullish, and still it is Euro Japanese and Australian Japanese, I would say, is buy on dips, but not GBP Japanese. So let's see Australian USD. So again, it is not giving anything on the downside. Today again, Australian USD uh, went till 68.40, but it is not giving anything on the downside. So if you are lucky, then only you can get something on Australian USD. And right now, in coming days also, it is a good thing that it is getting supported around here, and it is just between 0.68 after a breakout, this after this breakout with which took it to 70. So it is a good thing, and still 0 to 100% move is 69.76, and twice it went to 69.76, and every time like twice it was sold, so double top is there, and still it is very well supported by EMA 34, and this EMA 89 is also going up. So if you see here, EMA 89 means 89 trading days. So it is good that this line is also going up. And if you see from 2019, also there were very few cases when Australian USD EMA 34 was trading above EMA 89, and Australian USD also was trading above these two levels. So it is rare to find if you see the chart closely. So today also it went to 64, 840, and again it was bought. So Australian USD, OSMA also, you can see how the volatility is that. So there is nothing we are getting in Australian USD. Bearishness also, one thing is that it is just trading between, if it is going to EMA 34, it is just selling off. So maybe it is still bearish, not bullish. So maybe once this EMA 34 goes below EMA 89, then only it can give something. It can again go to 68, 0.68, but maximum it can go to 68 level. So Australian USD, although it is bearish, but right now you can see right now how the momentum is. So let's see New Zealand USD. If you have any question in between, you can ask me. And New Zealand USD, it seemed like it will go further down, but again today it was going to 0.6480, and it is really frustrating for traders how this New Zealand USD and Australian USD are trading. So that's how it is. And Australian USD is the one daily is it is still bullish, but on 4-hour chart every time it is going around EMA 34, and in some days it can go down further. So tomorrow is FOMC minutes, and let's see what is in the store for Australian USD and dollar index. So I'll take a look at dollar index also. USD CAD, every time it went till this level 1.3711, and after that it was sold. On 4-hour chart you can clearly see how it is trading. It is trading within this week, it is trading within 50-pip range, so nothing is there as such. And one pair which I was looking at, Australian CAD. So Australian CAD right now is going to 0.94 and slightly selling off. So that's all it is. So nothing major move today. Also, this Euro USD was going to 112.50, and again it was sold, and right now it is trading around 1.1205. Let me just see dollar index. So dollar index maximum it can go to 94, 98, and that's the level I'm watching, and that's the breakout level for dollar index right now. It is trying to go up, and if it stays above 97.78, next level is 98.36. So that means like around Euro USD can break below 1.17. So just take a look if it is closing above this. So maybe it is going to around 98.36. In that case, Euro USD should be trading below 1.1170. So some move in Euro, USD, and dollar index right now. Let me just remove this. So for today, it is just trying to go up. Okay. So now USD CHF. So USD CHF is also not doing much, but OSMA is right now on the upside. So every indication that Euro USD can test 1.12, 1.1170. So this move has started from 93.75, and right now the real resistance is at around 95, 0.9550. USD CHF again today it is 94.53, and in some days, not today, this is the 4-hour chart. So if it goes above 94.48 and above EMA 89, then it can go up further. So right now, it is just a consolidation or from this is oversold. Dollar was oversold. If you remember, Euro USD was trading at 1.1350 just last week, Tuesday. So USD CHF was just oversold, and still technicals say that EMA 34 is still below EMA 89, and still we can see if it can go above uh, EMA 34 can go above EMA 89, then it is more bullish. So dollar index says if it can go above here, then it can go to 98.36. It is just trading around um, resistance. So maybe once US session opens, then Euro USD, which is right now, it is taking support around here. And as such, this Euro dollar index is at around here. So then we can see further action. So it is like Euro USD is also at support, and we can see further if 112 is broken. So let's see if it is breaking below. Uh, Chances of that is right now around 30% if it is trying to go down around 1.1170. So if it is coming to that level, Euro USD, you have to buy it, and putting a stop loss around 50 pip. From here also you can buy it, Euro USD, and putting a stop loss below 1.1170, 50 pip stop loss, and see where it moves on the upside. On 4-hour chart also, if you see, it is trying to go down, but again, it is getting bought. So let's see further things right now. This is Euro CHF is also just around this EMA 34 and EMA 89, but it is not going below 1.0632, and it is a good sign. And if it maintains this level for today also, so in fact, Euro CHF, you can trade and go long from here, putting a stop loss at around 1.06 if you want to just get 30 pip or 40 pip. So then it is a good idea for Euro CHF on the upside. So what else? Any questions, guys, till now? Okay. Now, what else to just 2 minutes more? If you have any questions, please let me know. USD 500, it is again and again trying to take support here 2985, EMA 89, and for Monday, as you can see, it has not closed below this level, 3020. So not even here, and not this week also. So this is not giving any clear signal, and I know it is just consolidation for USA Tech. It is most like for year 2020, it has given lots of percentage right now. It opened in Jan around 8,500, and right now it is trying around, it touched around 10,300, and right now again it is for yesterday it went up, and right now support here 9689, and every time it is coming to this support, it is getting bought. So this is also frustrating if you want to sell USA Tech or USA stocks. So don't sell it. At least just wait and watch. Don't try to sell. And just remember these levels, and again you can play for the upside. So I have mentioned it before that USA 500 is going to 4,000. So within 1 or 2 months, once situation in US gets better, and we can see it is going up. So up further, and then 3400, and then after that it can go to uh, 4000 also. So in that case, USA Tech must be going to around 12,000. So still a lot of things are left right now in stocks. It is virus situation versus how much free money government is injecting into the economy, and that is almost effective in stock market till now. So let's see how it goes. But still, as we have seen throughout this history in Japan also, when they have started in 2013, so it was going up by around 50% or so, and that's why I'm also looking at historical things. It can go up further. So any questions if you have, please let me know.